Hello, guys. Yeah, good day. I hope you're having a nice time. So, today, the new iPhone 15.4 and iPad OS 15.4 is actually out. Yeah, and this is the update most iPhones users have been waiting for a very, very long time. So after nearly 2 months of beta testing, iOS 15.4 and iPad OS 15.4 are rolling out today to the general public. So this update includes notable new features such as universal control, support for using Face ID while wearing a mask. That's nice. The new emoji and more. So let's go all over to this new features we are getting from this iPhone, from this new iOS. So if you've not subscribed, please do so. Like, comment, and hit the notification icon as this will mean a lot to me. Thank you very much. So let's go over to these new features in details. Now, first we have the Face ID with a mask. Now this is a very, very, very cool update. I feel it's the coolest update in this new iOS because actually from the old iOS you can't actually unlock your phone without you having to remove everything from your face and actually facing the phone. But now this new update has solved that problem. So you could actually unlock your phone using your with even while you have your glasses on, or your nose mask or anything on your face. It's still actually going to recognize your face. And the algorithm has been so much perfected that even if you have something blocking your face, it's just going to use a very tiny part of your face to unlock the phone. And this is very, very nice and very, very cool. Okay, so we have the universal control. So the iPad OS 15.4 and the iOS 15.4 has brought this support, so you can actually control your phone with a lot of devices, of course Apple devices, with a single mouse, keyboard, and trackpad. Isn't that very cool? Yes, that is very, very cool. So you can switch between devices, of course Apple devices, and you can control tons of the Apple devices using just a device. That is very, very cool. And also we have the shortcut automations. Then we have a lot of shortcuts. You know, there's one thing with the iPhone. It's really, really hard to get shortcuts. But now it's now very, very you know it's very, very easy to do. Once you have a new app, you can actually create a lot of shortcuts now using this iOS 15.4. Then the other one is tap to pay on iPhone. You can use your iPhone to pay, using your iPhone's NFC chip, that's near field communication chips in their app. Then you can use it to, do a lot of things. This is going to be very useful to business owner, businessmen, businesswomen that do a lot of payment online. You can use this new feature with your NFC, Apple Pay, and more. So there's this other new feature that is the Siri voice. So actually, there's a new tone of Siri voices that you can use with this new update. Okay, so you can change your Siri voice, you can edit it, you can just play around it. So it's actually very, very easy to use now. Then we have other changes. We have the new custom email domain UI in cloud settings. We have the Apple Wallet widget. We have the add notes to keychain passwords. We have the new authentication screen when invoking Apple Pay before unlocking. We have select camera and magnifier app. We have deeper share pay integration throughout the operating system and share sheet. So this is a lot of features packed into this new OS. It's actually very nice. I think the best one for me is the Face ID with a mask. Yeah, I think that's the best one for me. So also let me remind you, this update has a very a very bad downside, and the downside is this update is only available for iPhone 12 and above. So if you are using iPhone 11 and below, you are not going to get this update. I'm very sorry for that. Well, I guess I shouldn't be sorry. Apple should be sorry for that. So if you're an iPhone 12 user and iPhone 13 user, congratulations, you have this update. You can use it anyhow you like. So out of the update, the one I liked the most is the Face ID with a mask. Which one did you like the most? Which one would you like to use the most out of the new features? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you around.